Hello, Assalamu alaikum audience. Hope you all are fit and fine. I'm Lubaba Tasnim Luba and I'm from the prominent English Language Center, Bangladesh. My batch number is KET 105. So today I'm going to talk about a very important topic, that is software. So you can already guess that it's a part of computer. So let's dive into it. Computer is a machine that can execute different types of tasks like processing data, storing information, or communication. And it has different types of components inside it. For example, hardware, software, storage device, then input device, output device, and there are many more components. From those, I'm going to talk about software now. Software is the intangible and the invisible parts of a computer. We can see it, yes, but we cannot touch it or we cannot feel it even. That's hidden inside the computer, but it has a great impact on a computer's role. So, softwares are mainly of three kinds. They are application software, system operating software, and utility software. There are various more types of softwares, but these three are the mains. First of all, let's try to understand what is application software. Application software focuses on a specific task. For example, you want to draw a picture. Then you have to use a specific software that has been directed to draw pictures. For example, you want to edit a video. Then you can use KineMaster or CapCut that are specialized for video editing. Then you want to listen to songs, then you can go to a specific app or a software. So we can understand that application softwares are a lot in number. Next comes operating system software, or in short they are called OS. These softwares mainly create the environment to work by the application softwares. For example, the most well-known OS or operating system software is Windows. Windows creates the environment, it works in the background and it creates the environment to work. Some other OS softwares can be Linux, then Android for mobile phones, Mac OS, iOS, and there are many more. Let's come to the utility software. Okay, if you want to be more clear about utility software, let me give you an example. For example, you have a car. Your car must need repairs and maintenance monthly or weekly, and it needs oil changes and gas fill up daily, and sometimes it is also gets injured by an accident or something. Then what you have to do? You have to go to a store and repair it. Your computer may also get sick. Okay, sometimes you yourself get sick, right? Then what you do? You go to hospital, you take medicines, you take rest, then you get better again. When your computer is sick, for example, you have downloaded a fake email mistakenly. That email was a virus, and your computer got affected by virus too. Then what you have to do? You have to buy an antivirus. That is a utility software, and that will make your computer better. So, utility software is a kind of doctor or a helper for your software. It backs up your past files or something. For example, tomorrow you have a project that you have to exhibit, but today mistakenly you deleted the project file. Then you can just click the undo option and remove the file from the remove section and take it back to your list by a utility software. So you can understand that utility software is also very much important for a computer's good health. So that was all about my software part, and hope you have liked my presentation. Thanks for listening me cordially.